Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Basavaraj Bommai was elected as the new CM of Karnataka on 27th of July 2021 after former CM B.S. Yediyurappa gave his resignation. Yediyurappa's resignation has brought him a lot of support from the influential members of Lingayat community. These include the Congress MLAs and the powerful seers of Lingayat community in Karnataka. Karnataka's 17% of the population belongs to the Lingayat community. Now, this might work in favor of the Congress in the upcoming election, keeping in mind the influential power of this community in the state. Few of the Congress leaders who had been calling Yediyurappa corrupt because of the mismanagement during the pandemic situation are now attacking the BJP High Command by alleging them of constantly troubling the veteran leader and forcing him to resign from his post. The caste factor plays a very significant role in the Karnataka politics. It is believed that Yediyurappa has a personal vote bank of 7 to 8% across the state. In 2018 election, various subsects of the Lingayat Veerashaiva community have sway over 100 constituencies. Traditionally, this community had backed the Congress earlier days turned against in 1990, unceremoniously sacking of then CM Virendra Patil, who belonged to dominant Banajiga Lingayat community, by Congress President Rajiv Gandhi. This was widely speculated. It was a move from Congress. Even though Basavaraj Bommai also belongs to the Lingayat community, the Congress believes that the insult of Yediyurappa will not be forgotten so soon. With the 2023 Assembly election in focus, Bommai is likely to introduce new faces to the party. He is likely to opt for 5 deputy chief ministers and 6 to 8 young new faces in his cabinet. But will that be suitable in such a community struggle for BJP in the state? Any shift in how Lingayat's BJP major vote base could influence the next assembly election, leading possible gain for Congress. But for this to happen, a lot will depend on how BJP handles Yediyurappa's exit. Bringing another Lingayat phase may help it to minimize the loss of support. Still, Congress is counting on multiple factors to work and help them woo the community. The voice of solidarity in favor of Yediyurappa by Shamanur Shivashankarappa and MB Patil, Lingayat leaders of Congress, is a move to improve the position among Lingayat voters. Lingayats accounts for 17% of Karnataka population and have big voter group in 100 out of 224 assembly constituencies. Whoever wins more than half of the 100 seats will capture the power. According to sources, the immediate test for Karnataka's new chief minister would be winning the by-polls of Hanagal and Sindagi assembly constituencies, which is expected to be held in the upcoming few months. Will the CM be able to pass this test with the current scenario? Let's see in the upcoming days. This is Aparna Singhdeo reporting for iScope Media.